Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2018 Renault Megane and I will show you which fuse to check in case your rear defroster and your heated door mirrors are not working. This video will apply to 4th generation of Renault Meganes made from 2016. The fuse you want to check will be located in the main fuse box under the steering wheel on the left side. To access the fuses, you just want to remove this cover. To do that, there is like a small opening down here, so just want to pull it. On the back side of this cover, you will have a small fuse diagram here on the top. Then you will have this yellow fuse puller, which you can use to remove and check any of the fuses, and you will have a couple of spare fuses at the bottom. Once that cover is removed, you have a full access to all of the fuses. Also, I turned on flash on my phone, so this is more visible because fuses are quite deep. And the fuse you want to check, it's a small green 5 amp fuse located just down here. I hope you can see it. And this is your rear defroster and heated mirrors fuse. I will also try to zoom in a bit. So this is your fuse, and hopefully just by replacing it that will fix your problem. If not, you'll have to do a bit deeper diagnostic and start looking into the switch itself or the possible wiring issue. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.